So we are inside the Ubuntu. So you can try the Ubuntu by clicking on this icon, or you can just directly install it. So I'm going to directly install it. Then I'm selecting my keyboard layout of India and English. So continue. Recommend like to not connect Ubuntu with the internet, and continue. Then so like here you got two options, normal and minimal. So the normal is going to install some softwares like office softwares and some games and media player and browser, but the minimal is going to install like only the basic things. So I'm going with the normal, and I recommend to check this one. So what this is going to do is it is going to download all the drivers for your graphic card. So just click on continue. So now there are 3 installation method. So for this video I'm going to select this one with something else and click on continue. So now you have to scroll down a bit, and then like search for the free space, and here you can see the amount which you have freed. So I freed about 28 GB. So click on this plus icon, and then just I recommend to create a swap partition. What the swap partition is going to do is like it will act as your virtual RAM. If your RAM get filled, so it will act as RAM and help your system to run. So you can create a 4 GB or a 8 GB according to you. So to create it, just enter the size. Like for 8 GB, enter the 8000, and then search for the Linux swap and click it, and then hit on OK. So I already have the swap created, which I use for my Arch Linux. So I'm going to use same swap for my Ubuntu. So I don't need to create one because I already have one. So as you can see, so now we just had to click on this plus icon, then you have to select the mount point to slash, and you can change the file system. So you can either go for ext4 or btrfs. So ext4 is also a good partition system. Like many of the Ubuntu user, majority of them use ext4, but I like btrfs, so I'm going with the btrfs. So after clicking on OK, so it is going to create it. Then our grab installation. So if you are like one with MBR or legacy, so I recommend to select this with the SDA dev/SDA without any number. And if you have GPT with UEFI, so I recommend you choose this one which have window boot manager, and then you can just click on install now, and then continue, again continue. Then it asks for our time zone, so I'm going to select India and continue. Then now it asks for our username and password, so I'm going to fill it. So I had filled my username and password, so just I'm going to click on continue, and our installation will begin. it is going to copy and install all the Ubuntu base system. You have to just wait. It will take hardly to 10 to 15 minutes if you have a good system, and if you don't have a good one, so it will take 20 to 30 minutes. So I recommend to rest or watch YouTube videos. So I'm going to pause this video now and see you later. So Ubuntu installation had been completed. So just we have to do is click on this restart button and our system is going to restart and we are able to boot into our Ubuntu. So now it's asking us to remove our pen drive and press enter. So now we are inside the graph. So you can see that we have an option to boot into our Ubuntu and an option to boot into our Windows. So we are going to boot into our Ubuntu. And now we are inside the Ubuntu. We have to just enter our password. And now we are inside Ubuntu. Thanks for watching the video. See you in the next video.